Hi, I'm Doug, your tech support representative for Atlantic British, and in this video we're going to discuss the air filter element replacement kit that's part of our Repair and Maintenance Academy. And this particular kit will be used for the P38 Range Rovers. Now this in particular was going to be for the GEMS engine vehicle, which is 1995 to 1998. And if you look at the sheet that we have available that you can download and refer to, you'll see that there are two different part numbers depending on the vehicle ID number on your vehicle. Alright, there will be a difference in the air filter. So essentially you're going to have two numbers. The one I have on display right here is the ESR 4238. Both are fairly similar in design, but there is a little difference in the fit. And in a minute we're going to show you how to install this filter in your vehicle. Okay, so changing your air filter on this is actually a relatively easy job, and it is definitely going to improve your fuel economy on your vehicle, which is a great help these days. And it's simply just a matter of there are two snap clips on the snorkel leading into the mass airflow sensor, and two clips, one in the rear of the box and one to the side. You'll lift up on this one to release. Make sure the tangs are fully out of the way. You also have a connector here, and this is for your intake air temperature. You're going to lift up on the little metal cross brace on the bottom and give it a wiggle. And first time out, these can be sometimes not so easy to remove, but fully depressed and it will come out. Grab the mass airflow sensor and separate from the cover of your air filter. You'll lift straight up and these hooks will come right out from underneath. Now this is a moderately dirty air filter, really not too bad a shape. And this is what you would see in normal driving at about 6,000 to 8,000 miles. At your 15,000 mile mark, they're going to look pretty dirty. Your new filter simply drops in place. Make sure your seal is inside the housing all the way around before you close it down, so you end up with a good even seal. Grab your cover, line up the hooks, straight up position, fold it down. There is just want to make sure there's no dirt or debris built up inside here. If you'll notice, you see you have a screen right here in front of the mass airflow sensor. You get a piece of leaf or a piece of paper or debris on that can actually affect the way your vehicle runs. So you want to make sure no debris on that screen. Drop in place. Rehook your two clips. Side clip, drop the loop over the top of the housing. Push down. Clip in the back. Lift over the bracket that attaches to and lift up. Pops that down in place. And don't forget your sensor connector. Push that in until you hear the click. And you're good. And now you put a new air filter in. You don't have to worry about it for another 10,000 to 15,000 miles. So when you're ready to change your air filter on your P38, give any one of our knowledgeable salesmen a call at 1-800-533-2210. Thanks for watching.